guys, you hungry? Opie? Eddie? Opie? Hungry? Oh. You gonna sing for your supper? Eddie, get him. Get him, Ed. What are you doing? You know. You hungry? Okay. Ed, I'll get you breakfast, okay?